Hello guys, and today we are back again talking about Polkadot. Now yesterday I just put out a video saying that Polkadot right now at $3.60. It's a very good price, a very cheap price in my opinion to get into Polkadot, because $3.06, as I will show you right now, is really almost very close to its all-time low, and that is great news for anybody who is looking to put Polkadot into their portfolio. So let's have a quick look at the Polkadot chart. Already up about 4% from when I started talking about it just yesterday. So here we are. You can see the all-time price from $2 here. Okay, it was around $2 something here. It has never gone back that cheap. Since then, it has not gone back that cheap. And Grayscale is seeking SEC approval for Polkadot right now. This is one we are getting excited about. Grayscale seeking SEC approval for Polkadot ETF following XRP and Cardano filings. So what happens after Grayscale gets the SEC approval for Polkadot? Well, quite simply, Polkadot is going to be added then now to the micro cryptocurrency products of the CME group. So you can see here micro Bitcoin futures already there, Ether futures already there, Solana futures also there. And just so you guys know for comparison, okay, just for a quick comparison, let's look at Ethereum as well as Solana. Let's have a quick look at Ethereum and Solana. Also, by the way, also hanging around its, very low price. Okay, they are also hanging around in this very, very low price area. Here you can see this is the 1 year since April 24. It is at its 12-month low right now. And so is Solana. You can see right now at all-time low. Now, these assets, you can see Solana all-time low, not all-time low, but pretty low in the almost 12-month low. See, 12 months low. Last year, it was around $150. Right now, it's about $135. Now, these two already have been approved. You can see their products here, right? You can see Ether and Solana. So once Polkadot gets approved, I think there is also going to be a lot of liquidity coming in from public markets into Polkadot as Grayscale and all these other institutions start creating their own ETFs. So you can see another big news here, 21 shares Polkadot. 21 shares is another investment firm. Also progressing with NASDAQ filing for listing approval for Polkadot. Okay, very, very interesting times right now, especially for Polkadot holders. And you can see here now the SEC greenlit review for the Polkadot spot ETF on March 21st. So Polkadot definitely has a lot going for it. And again, Gavin Wood, the founder of Polkadot, I am a huge fan because he is the one who coded Ethereum. Let's not forget that he is the one who coded Ethereum. And here is his story. He started writing Ethereum code in December, I think almost 10 years ago, over 10 years ago, when he only had 500 pounds left. And his rent was 500 pounds. At the time, his startups were not working out, but somebody gave him £1,000 a month to continue working on Ethereum. And later on, he became the co-founder of Ethereum before finding Polkadot. So this guy, he knows a lot about blockchain. Clearly, he doesn't care too much about all this SEC stuff. He has enough money from over 10 years being in the industry. But now people are starting to take Polkadot, and they are starting to push liquidity through Polkadot and putting in more money. And the only reason that they are trying to get this ETF is so that they can sell it to the public. They are creating a financial asset for them to sell. That is their business. So once this gets approved, all their sales guy is going to start pushing Polkadot to their clients, and that is going to do wonders in our opinion, or in my opinion, for the price at it is right now. Again, I want to reiterate, has not been this cheap for a long time. You can see all time only up 31%, for Polkadot to be only 31% all time is very low. It is a very low price for Polkadot, so it is a great time in our opinion to get into this coin. Now, this is not financial advice. I hope you take something away from what I am telling you today, and I will see you guys in the next video.